Hey y'all, so I got that new from African Pride and I'm going to show you a two product wash and go for bomb and defined results. So for anybody who's curious, I did wash and condition my hair already. I used the African Pride honey and coconut shampoo as well as the Moroccan clay and shea butter heat activated mask, and my hair is clean and soft, so I'm just going to jump right into this styling video. So first up in this two product wash and go, I did use the African Pride Aloe and Coconut Water, Hydrate and Renew Curl Milk and Detangler. I use this as my leave-in conditioner slash moisturizer for this wash and go. It is a lightweight formula, and I have a feeling if you guys love the aloe and coconut pre-shampoo out of this collection, you're gonna love this too because it's just bomb and it's aloe and coconut water just like the pre-shampoo. But anyway, I apply this all over my head and then I go ahead and apply the gel. So the gel is also aloe and coconut water too, and this is the Hydrate and Hold gel. Y'all, these products are available now in Walgreens. They just dropped. And yep, just like the pre-shampoo, y'all, this stuff is bomb. I mean, like, look at how my curls just clump together as soon as I slap the gel on. I'm just so pleased with this gel and how effortless it was to define my curls. The method I'm using today is the shingling method. I get the best definition and hold when I do it this way, even though it is a little time consuming. And what I'm doing here is just pulling my curls apart where they're already clumping, and I'm just running my fingers down it. And this gel is so bomb, I didn't even have to like coil the curls or my curls around my fingers. I just ran my fingers straight up and down it, and they just did their own thing. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that African Pride Aloe and Coconut Water Pre-Shampoo is my go-to pre-poo for when my hair is tangled and dry out. So when I saw they released an Aloe and Coconut Gel, y'all know I had to get on that ASAP. So I could do a review and tell y'all all about it. And it definitely exceeded my expectations. These products always exceed my expectations. They are so affordable, but they're just high quality. This gel is so nice, thick, and rich in consistency. It's not watered down. At this point, I'm doing my voiceover. I've been rocking this wash and go for about 5 days now, and my hair is not dry out like some cheap gels do. No, y'all, this stuff is the truth, and it's probably going to be my go-to for the summer. The other thing that I love about this gel is because it's so rich and thick, I did not go through half the jar trying to define my whole head. I did not have to apply a whole lot. A little bit goes a long way with this product. And anyway, I got my hair all defined and I did sit under a dryer for about 30 minutes so that my hair would not be dripping wet when I went to lay down. And then I air dried the rest of the way overnight. And this is the next day, y'all. And as you can see, the definition and shine is perfection. And you know what? This shrinkage really ain't that bad either. Like, my hair feels kind of like elongated and this is fully dry. But let me go ahead and stretch these curls so we can see how this gel holds up against the frizz of fluffing and picking. Now personally, I like to stretch my wash and goes with a blow dryer on medium heat just because my coils be so tight, especially at my roots, and I don't just want to go through raking a pick and comb through it before I loosen it up a little bit. So when I do this, I just section my hair and clip the pieces that I'm not stretching out of the way so that the blow dryer isn't just creating unnecessary frizz. Then, like I said, I'm doing it on medium heat, just holding tension and only going up and down my roots. Sometimes I'll get my ends if I want a lot of volume, but I mostly concentrate on just stretching out my roots because nobody's going to be able to see them. Here is the final look, and what I'm lacking in volume, the definition definitely makes up for it. Each of these curls is still intact. Not one strand of hair is out of place. Like, this is definitely what I needed for the humid months to come in North Carolina, because it gets so humid here that it don't even have to be raining for you to step outside and your hair is wet. Like, yes. Anyway, let me know if you guys will be running to Walgreens to cop these products. Let me know what you guys think about the results. And before you exit up out of here, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button before you leave. Bye.